Okay, you may have noticed I got cut off. I'm back. Okay, so we're getting a common denominator. So x times x plus h can be the common denominator. This one needs an x, so whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. And so then this top is 3x, and this top is 3 times x plus h. And there's a minus sign, and now they have a common denominator. We can say x times x plus h, or we could say x plus h times x. Those are the same. So just like 3 times 2 is 2 times 3. They're good. And let's copy everything else down just so we don't lose where we're going. Like I just lost my train of thought. Okay, now that they have the same denominator, we can squish them together. It's kind of like 2/3 minus 1/3 or something. You can like put them together. So the common denominator is going to be there. It's x times x plus h, just one of them. And then the top is going to be 3x minus, and then let's do -3 and distribute it on through. So -3 times x is -3x. -3 times h, make sure you take the negative and the 3 to multiply by the second thing as well, is -3h. And then copy everything else down, there's a limit. And then 3x minus 3x finally can cancel. So now we have a fraction over another fraction. And so what we're going to do is keep this fraction the same, change division into a multiply sign, and flip the second fraction. So it's like multiplying by the reciprocal. So that leaves us with the limit as h goes to 0 of -3h on the top and x times x plus h on the bottom. You could distribute that or not, doesn't matter. Instead of divide, we're going to times by 1 over h, so the flip of h over 1. Now, the h's will cancel, which means when we plug in 0 for h, we don't get a 0 on the denominator, like we don't divide by 0. So now if we plug in 0 for h, there's only one h left to do that with. You'll get like x's and numbers and stuff, and that's great. So -3 times 1 is -3. X times x plus 0, so just x times x is x squared. And this is the formula, the derivative, that we could plug in whatever your x value of the point is, and then you'll get the slope of the tangent line. Then you can plug that into point slope, just like on the other ones, and get the equation of the tangent line at that point. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you a few more times.